All right, again, for multiplying decimals and dividing decimals, we are going to be using a calculator. But let's do one example out. Now, it just so happens these decimals do line up, but I do not need to line up my decimals in multiplication. And I can't determine where my decimal is going to go until the end. So let's multiply. First, I'm going to multiply my 5 throughout, and I'm going to keep it below the 5 and go this way. So 5 times 6 is 30. Put the 0 down, carry the 3. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. Put the 3 down, carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Now, when doing the next one, this 2, I have to start below the place that it's in. So I'm going to put a 0 for a placeholder. So 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. Then I'm going to add them up. 0, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. Carry the 1, 4, 5, 6. Now, where my decimal goes depends on the two numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to go in front of the 6. So I didn't need that 0, but we happened to do it during our calculations. It means the same thing, but you know what? The 6 is in the 10th spot, and that's what matters. So if I were to do, notice these different notations, this dot means multiplication. These parentheses right next to each other also mean multiplication. 44.2 times 68.1. 3010.02. 3.2 times 104.26. 333.632 thousandths. So you're going to go through and do these with a calculator. What is 4 times 3.34? That's also multiplication. 4 times 3.34. $13.36. So let's still talk about dividing. Whether you're changing fractions to decimals, that's still division. Top divided by bottom. Even if you have a whole, $4, 2 divided by 5, 40 cents, 0.4. Whether I write it like that or this. So 21 is greater than 4. So this is also going to be, we're going to have a whole, it's going to be part of a whole and more. So 5 wholes and 25 cents. So this is going to be less than a whole, part of a whole only. Ooh, 0.1 forever, repeating 0.11. 26 divided by 4. Remember, when it's written like this, you would take the 26 and divide by 4. So let's do this one out. Does 4 go into the 2? No. 4 goes into 26. 4 times 6 is 24. So we subtract, we have 2, but we don't want remainders. I want to know what comes after my decimal place. So let's put that decimal in there. Bring the 0 down. 4 goes into 20. 5 times 4 is 20, and now we're done. So it's 6.5. 166 divided by 12. So look at your calculator, does this. So top divided by bottom. 13.8, and the 3 goes on forever. So when you do it out by hand, what you're dividing by goes on the outside. As far as the calculator, you just enter top divided by bottom, left to right. 155 divided by 2. And here, $6.25 divided by 5. Split this between 5 people, $1.25. All right, so go through with your calculator and finish your multiplying and dividing decimals.